Let's go, baby. I fixed my audio, so now we are rocking and rolling again. Um, so today I want to show you guys absolutely how terrible this was. There were trades to be taken, right? Intraday we could have waited for the break of this level, maybe switch to the 2 minute, grab these puts right here. I mean, really, you'd want it like there. And then you could take that to the downside, but I didn't. I actually lost again today because I look for more trends, I guess you could say. We did break here, but not anything crazy. This was like I just stopped out because I didn't like it. Now you could have used the reject again, 684. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Why do you want to trade this? Like we're still just ranging. You can't trade that. Like if you guys have been losing money this week from shit, I mean, really from Wednesday the 26th. This is just straight chop zone. Nothing's getting respected. Levels are off. There's no trades to be taken, right? Same with Qs, really. I mean, Qs since Tuesday. So you guys just have to know what market conditions to go long on, like to go heavy in and to go light in. I went light, and sure enough, I took L's 2 days in a row. Yesterday and today, I took L's. So especially after the L yesterday, I was on like a 35-day win streak. So I mean, it was inevitable. I was trying. As soon as I realized my win streak is when I was like, all right, let me not talk about it. Let me not say. But then I lost anyways. Um, but yeah, so we still need to wait for some clear direction moves before we could get some clean setups. And I think the catalyst is going to be the rate cuts. So that'll probably be huge for it. Meta had a huge move today. Apple came back down to our 280 level and reclaimed it. So that 280 bounce was still valid. Um, but other than that, I mean, that's really it. I just wanted to show you guys that this is where we're at, and this is what we have to wait to break. We're either gonna break to the upside or break to the downside. I think this is a huge. This is just a rising wedge, right? Inside you have bearish divergence. Oh, you got bearish divergence right here going on. All right, you can see that. So even from here, that was an ugly line. From here, you got bearish divergence going on. So I think that's our indicator to drop. Now, what can happen is that we're already expecting this, right? So if we expect it, what can happen is we could come down and fill this right here. Was this at 673, 675? I mean, really, the 675 is nice. That 675 is nicer than that. And then yeah, below like 670, 672, you could really just below 671, then you could take a short again. All the way to 664. So that'll be a nice trade. We'll set that up for show. For show. That's pretty nice. So you guys can take that. But yeah, I mean probably right there actually, but that's really it, man. Like there's not a lot going on. I'd probably like again, this is going to be your biggest level right here, the 674.60, 675 range. I would say in between 676.30 and 674.60. So it's not just a key level, it's just a zone, right? Like this zone right here is what we're kind of looking for. So just be patient and wait for price to do something. Do something. But other than that, long term's doing good, obviously, because we're jumping. Nvidia looked like a whole flag, kind of. Just curious to see where it goes. I mean, we're really just waiting in limbo. So, excuse me. More of the story is just don't over leverage. Take it easy. Take your trades light. Get in, get out. If you do get in and get out, right? Like take your little scalps. Take your little 684 to 683, 683 to 684. Take your little scalps if you want them. um, and just be careful. But I'm excited to see with these rate cuts, and hopefully we get a huge move and we get some juicy trades, and the whole market just goes, baby. It's your boy Mike Lowry. We out.